Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is VPN. Let's start it. VPN, a virtual private network, is a technology that create a security encrypted connectivity connection. Our less secure networks such as internet. Here are some key aspects of VPN. First is definition of virtual networks that use encryption and tune line protocols to secure data, extended private networks access and public networks internet. Second is benefits: secure data transmission, anonymity and privacy, remote access to private network, bypass geo restriction and censorship. Third is types: remote access VPN, individual user site to site VPN, connect multiple networks, internet based VPN, connect to a single network. Four is protocols: OpenVPN, PPTP, point to point tune line protocol, L2TP, IP second layer to tune line protocols, internet protocol security, IKEV2, internet key exchange variant 2. 5 is VPN, future of encryption, AES, SSL and TLS authentication, username, password, certificates, tune line protocols, firewalls and access control. Second is VPN usage, remote work and telecommunities, secure browsing and streaming, accessing geo restricted content, protecting sensitive data. 7 is VPN providers: Comarcal VPN server, Express VPN, NordVPN, self-hosted VPN solution, open source VPN software, OpenVPN. The following are some additional key aspects of VPN. First is VPN secure encryption methods: AES, RSE, authentication protocols are PAP, CHAP, secure key exchange and management, regular secure audits and testing. Second is VPN performance: speed and bandwidth optimization, latency reduction techniques, server and network optimization, quality of service, QoS settings. Third is VPN protocols and standards: OpenVPN, WireGuard and other protocols, IPsec, IKEV2 and other standards, compatibility with various devices and OS. 4 is VPN clients and software, user friendly interface and experience, mobile app and desktop client, browser extension and plugging command line tools and scripted. 5 is VPN server management, server setup and configuration, server management and authentication, server monitoring and maintenance, load balancing and scaling. 6 is VPN and advanced feature, split tunneling and routing control, kill switch and DNS leak, protection of obfuscation and stealth mode, multi-hop and double VPN configuration. VPN use cases: remote work and telecommunities, secure browsing and streaming, online gaming and esports, protecting sensitive data and privacy. Here are some additional key aspects topics relate to VPN. First is VPN and Tor, using VPN with Tor or enhanced anonymity. Difference between VPN and Tor: benefits and limitation of combining VPN and Tor. Second is VPN and LAN and cloud computing, securely accessing cloud sources via VPN, integrating VPN with cloud services, AWS cloud-based VPN solution and services. Third is VPN and IoT, secure IoT devices with VPN. with VPN solution for IoT network and devices, challenges and concentration for IoT VPN deployments for is VPN and SD-WAN, WAN software defined wide area networking, SD-WAN WAN and VPN, integrating VPN with SD-WAN WAN solution. Benefits and advantage of combining VPN and SD-WAN. 5 is VPN and zero trust networks, implementing zero trust security for VPN solution for zero trust networks. Benefits and advantage of combined VPN and zero trust security.